Welcome. I'm Dr. John Norcross, Professor and Chair of Psychology here at the University of Scranton. I'm going to show you around our department, our seminar rooms, our research labs, our faculty, and the bounty of offerings. Because we're filming this virtual tour during the COVID-19 pandemic, you'll unfortunately not see many of our psychology students. But rest assured, their friendly faces await you here.
Let's start by orienting you to our physical facilities. The Psychology Department occupies the entirety of the second floor of Alumni Memorial Hall, plus lab facilities in the two adjacent buildings, Loyola Science Center and the Institute for Medicine and Molecular Biology. Here's the hub of the department, Mrs. Donna Rupp, MBA, our extraordinary administrator. The second floor of Alumni Memorial Hall contains our 2 seminar rooms, 2 dedicated classrooms, computer lab, faculty offices, and many of the research labs. Our 11 full-time faculty all hold doctorates and traverse the major areas of psychology: clinical, cognitive, developmental, forensic, health, physiological, social, and the like. 3 of those are licensed clinical psychologists. Along with the biology department, psychology coordinates the interdisciplinary neuroscience program. This is Dr. Jessica Nolan's social psychology lab. Here's the room where you would take our career development in psychology seminar. That class helps majors tailor their curriculum to their specific needs, leading half of our graduates to directly attend graduate school and the other half to immediately enter the workforce. As we walk through the department, notice the dozens of student research posters presented at regional and national conferences in recent years. Almost half of our students conduct research with Scranton faculty. You can read more about these on the psychology website. Here's a student poster presented at the American Psychological Association convention that summarizes the positive experiences of our undergraduate teaching assistants. More than 1/3 of psychology majors serve as TAs during their junior or senior years. Plus, about half will complete 4-credit internships at either clinical or applied placements off campus. We also have research and teaching labs in neighboring buildings. Let's look at 3 recently constructed psychology labs. Here's the new Play and Learning Lab, used primarily for studies with younger children. By the way, here's the university's Office of Health Professions, the advising and support center for pre-medical students on campus. It is directed by Dr. Patrick Orr, a psychology professor. Here's the new Human Electrophysiology, or HEP lab, where we conduct EEGs and eye tracking for both teaching and research purposes. And here's research facilities for physiological psychology and neuroscience research. You will find tons of information about Scranton's psychology curriculum, student research, teaching assistantships, and clinical internships on our website. And psychology faculty coordinate 3 interdisciplinary concentrations on campus: lifespan development, environmental studies, and integrated data analysis. We'll conclude this virtual tour with a few words on what you can expect from the Scranton Psychology program. First, we provide hands-on learning in courses, research, internships, teaching assistantships, and 3 psychology student organizations. We also provide exceptional quality, award-winning faculty who teach, mentor, research, and practice for undergraduates only. And last, you will graduate with career guidance and flexibility, a balanced education, and the widest range of career options. It's your choice, guided through individual advising by full-time psychology faculty. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour, and we hope you will join us in person here at Scranton's Psychology program.